Okay, good evening. Welcome back. This is TradeUp speaking, and as always, or as usual, we always get this forecast before the day opens, all prior to the date. So it's a Thursday night, but I'm giving you my analysis, my opinions on how tomorrow is gonna move, all on what's really gonna happen tomorrow. Like we are trying to forecast and mirror our day ahead. So I'm seeing GDP, and as you know, GDP, gross domestic production. Just know euro hasn't been performing well. However much it's the quarter one previous quarter, but euro didn't perform well. And Europe didn't perform well the previous quarter. Remember, there were tariffs, what, unless it might perform if the dollar weakens. If the dollar weakens against the euro, then euro USD will be buying. But if not, no, euro is going to sell. That's my opinion. Okay? USD new home sales. What next? I'm not seeing any other big news, but still, it's gonna be bullish. It's gonna be a bullish day, so don't lose your guard. Don't lose your guard. So let's go directly to our technical charts. Yesterday, this was my analysis, and I told you this was what? I marked these four laws, and I told you you should trade them using your trend line or using the trend line strategy. That's what I told you. So if you followed it, I think you have got something. So let's go on a lower time frame, still on US oil. Let's start with it. This is US oil. With US oil, this is 5 minutes, but it highly respects all I highly respect. However much it's a lower time frame, so this high is magnificent. It's good. And if you have to be looking for your that's a selling spot, but it's not all that strong. Mark my words, it isn't all that strong, but it's a selling spot. It's a selling spot because it tried to form something. So look at these levels. For buys, target this level. And if we are to break below this level, just make sure we are retesting at this level. This is not support and resistance. Most people take it as support and resistance. This isn't even a resistance level, as most people say. No. Or what we call price action. Or what we call price action. The reason as why I'm doing so, already these levels were validated, which means these were weak lows. These were weak lows. So I expect a retest. And the reason as why this low was liquidated is because previously the market had respected it. So that's why it just did what? It just sold. So let's look at BTC-USD. This is Bitcoin USD. And as of today, Bitcoin has been it's 111,000. Wow. It's really moving steadily. Previous analysis, I think. Those ones who analyzed with me yesterday, and to those ones who saw this signal, I think you got it. Right? You got it. Perfectly. Got it perfectly because I told you this is a buying spot. Just wait for the market to retest in this level. We should have come back, liquidated it, but here they hadn't used the level. No, they hadn't used the level because remember, this is a vector candle. There was a lot of impulse below. It moved impulsively. So it wasn't doing that corrective way, like those corrective moves. So it tried to retrace and it corrected the move before it did what? It went up. Now what next? I want consider it. Consider that below. It's really decisive. Really decisive. It's not giving me what I really want to see. It's just indecisive. So that let's not forget these levels. You should look at that level. Now analysis. XAUSD. This is gold. Those ones who sold gold, you just perfect. And someone says, I don't know what I'm doing. You guys, some other times, Mumanya levels. Hey, what did I tell you yesterday? I told you, look at this level. It's a selling level. I told you it's a selling level. Uh, that was a selling level, and I told you. So if I'm to be looking at again, let me show you something different. Manye, symbol. And because Zimbira one in, because if this market retraced, there wasn't that all that varied area. There were the varied area here for it to retrace. They have at the and even if I go to 5 minutes time frame, I am not seeing it. I'm not seeing it unless because of this level. But again, it did trigger it. It didn't trigger it. You might say this law that is sold because of this law. But again, this is going to be our buying spot. It has sold. But if we are to break above this high, this level, we are selling. And still, we are going to sell. Our target should be this level. Our target is going to be this level. If we don't do this, then break this. Members, let's get the robot. Let's buy the robot. Let's get the robot. Inbox me, join that program. You're going to get it at $100. You're going to get it at $100 instead of buying it expensively, because when it's done, you will see. You will see. Some other times I'm busy on my work, so I'll just employ that bot to be working. Let's go. Let's look at is it Euro USD? You see how it's performing today. Oh, wow, I think I started even affecting it. Sorry. I think I even started affecting it. I think this was my previous what? This was my previous analysis. And I told you we are going to be selling here at the neckline, but unfortunately, it didn't sell at that very level. It didn't sell at that very level. So those ones who sat and understood the market well, they got something, because as I told you yesterday, I told you it's going to sell. It's a must. It's going to do what? It's going to sell. It's going to sell. Because right now, I'm not seeing any very level here for it to stop it, or for it to be supported in its buys. No, I'm not seeing it. I haven't. I haven't. This is the level. Then give 4 bands on Euro USD. Someone might be thinking, or someone might ask him or herself, why? Because it's why. I'm here to guide you. I'm here to give you some knowledge, and I'm here to analyze for you. You should be waiting for lectures. To those ones who are in the $50 group, be attending the group, what, like that. To Jamala was what I can say. Let me look at USD card. This is a USD card. Thank you. Me, I always tell you, when you break below and we retest, just know you just utilizing that level. Other gains or other users. So, yeah, this is the support level. Then you can see what we got clear support level. This is the support level. That's support level. Swing high, high. Swing low. Let's wait. We see if we are to retest at this level, we are just shooting up below this level. Then the buying targets will be around here. That's where we shall be buying at. If we break below this level, let's consider sales up to this level. Then you know what? Then we buy. I think let me just stop here because I don't want to stress a lot. Otherwise, be blessed. Good night.